Being born and brought up in the district of Warangal, I have been reading about this region from the local newspapers for so many years now. It was always disturbing to see so many deaths being reported from this region year after year. With a bit of research, we got to know it is largely the lack of quality and appropriate healthcare delivery that is resulting in the high morbidity of this region. We started wondering what difference we could make and how effectively we could do it to bring down the number of these deaths. We firmly believe that a well equipped hospital offering quality and round the clock services will have a significant impact on the public health in this region. However, with most of our people coming from below the poverty line, a for profit hospital would remain far from the reach of the people and a futile effort. So we are proposing to set up a charity hospital for the people of this region, offering the best healthcare services with full-time doctors available round the clock. A hospital equipped to handle all the anomalies peculiar to this region will go a long way in improving the health and welfare of this region, and we cannot do it without your support. Though we are coming up with various models of sustainability in the form of community health insurance for the target group and availing various healthcare schemes already existing in the state, valuable donations from individuals and organizations are a crucial part of executing this project. Our effort is to raise $3 million towards this effort, and every contribution of yours will be a step towards making quality healthcare available to one of the most marginalized and vulnerable groups in India. You can visit our website for more information on this project and get in touch with us on how you could be a part of this project. Thank you.